new online-only outdoor collection is ready to make a splash. With a vibrant palette that will appeal to any outdoor color scheme, it's woven with a rich, soft, cotton-like hand that repels water and moisture. Encompassing both the traditional and contemporary, these patterns have rich textures and solids to bridge the styles together. Each pattern passes 50,000 double rubs, is UV resistant up to 2,000 light hours, stain and mildew resistant, and can easily transition to indoors with its heavy-duty performance features. Bring the added benefit of outdoor to your next project. Exceptional patterns at an exceptional value. That's Mitchell Fabrics.